Very true. Okay. So for your assignment for activity 19, again, we just read our FAQ guide and our reading modules. Now we're reading for understanding. Okay? You are selecting 4 topics to research in whatever you want to do your FAQ guide on. Okay? College or the workforce. So Monty, okay, maybe we do careers for botany. Okay, careers that involve botany, because I know you're interested in that. Maybe another one is job outlook for this. Maybe it's degree information for this job you're interested in. Okay, maybe it's the unemployment rate after high school. Maybe those are 4 things you're interested in. Okay, for someone like Kira is going to college, maybe it's something like financial aid for a CSU versus a UC. Benefits of going to a community college over a 4-year right away. Okay? Disadvantages of going to a community college over a 4-year right away. What I need to know about being a teacher. Okay? Do you know all the education you need to get to become a teacher? Because there's school after your bachelor's degree that you have to do to be a teacher. Okay? Yes, David.
How many questions?
You're choosing 4 topics to research.
4 questions, 8 questions?
Yes.
4 questions.
4 questions, sure. But all you're doing is picking a topic. So when you're submitting this, all I want you to do is submit the 4 topics you will be researching.
Cool.
Okay? So, David, do you have 4? Can you share?
I'm about to pick some.
Huh?
I haven't picked it.
Okay. Anyone have one in mind? Nick, do you have any idea what you'll be researching?
Probably, yeah, like financial aid.
Okay, so financial aid's one of them. Okay. Maybe admission requirements.
Oh, yeah.
What are the chances for advancement?
The chances for advancement in your field. Okay. Yeah, so cosmetology. Maybe there's questions you have about that. All right. How do you own your own business? What's the career outlook? Okay. Maybe you could do something with like influencing on Instagram. What's the information on that? Okay. So that's all we're doing here. So once you pick 4 pieces of information you're going to research, you need to find websites that you can get that information from. Okay? Remember, if we go here to our reading modules, there's the website resources. Look at all this, guys.
Wow.
Fancy that. All right? Applying to colleges, financial information, choosing a college, advice about choosing a major, career information. Okay? Start here. Next to your, so can I do this as a teacher?
I don't think so.
I don't think I can submit anything. So if I edit this, okay, let's do this.
Wait, can't you be student here?
I don't think I can submit an answer though, like I'm a student.
Oh.
That's what I was trying to do. So I want your 4 topics plus the website you'll be researching for that topic. Oh my lord.
I love typing. It's the worst.
Don't we love typing? Does that make sense? Okay.
Wait, can you go over activity number 17?
Yes. If it opens. Okay. So you read website resources, which is just that list of different websites.
Oh.
The thing that I went over that I was like, hey, start here, look at this fancy.
Oh,
guy.
yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I see, yeah.
So all you were doing before you looked at that was generating questions in your head, on your journal, in your Google Doc, okay, about questions you believe can be answered by a website. Okay?
Oh, okay.
So you don't have to submit anything. That's more like when you survey the text, again, I don't want to see that submission because that's just you using a skill to read something. Okay?
Okay.
So So like for instance, when you go to college and you get assigned this huge packet on like the study of, I don't know, something crazy in science, okay? Instead of just diving in, what you should do is kind of look at that, get an idea of what it is, and kind of get some questions so that you're better able to access that text. When I say access that text, I mean be able to read it, okay? Because a lot of times we're hit with things that we don't understand, and we can't access it. We don't know what it's saying to us, right?
Yeah.
We can read the words, but it's not necessarily going from the words to our brain. So doing things like this we're better able to access that text, okay? So you don't just answer the questions in your head, which you did. Or you came in a little late, huh?
I think I did, yeah.
Yeah, you're good, okay? We've already looked at it.
Oh, okay.
So if you want to go through this, go ahead.
Okay.
All right. These are just ways to kind of get you thinking. So like, what kind of jobs best fit my interests? Monty. That's probably a really good question for you. Okay, so take that job assessment test. Okay? There's, you can find some personality tests online that fit jobs. There's computers right there. There's computers right there. So if we aren't sure what we want to do, those tests can work really well. Okay. Kyle, you might start with some of those websites and then go into like a trained engineer's website. Okay. Look at those job listings. You know what I mean by that? Find where the jobs are posted that are open right now and see what the requirements are. Alright. So we know what we're doing? Everyone look at me and tell me you know what you're doing. Vincent, you know what you're doing? Okay, Kyle.
No.
I'll help you. Monty. You know what you're doing? Okay, Nick.
Yeah.
Zelia.
Like,
You're picking 4 topics.
I understand what we're doing, I just don't
Okay.
have any questions, and also have a really bad headache because I've been sick because I haven't been sleeping.
Okay, I'm sorry.
So what's loading?
We're doing college, correct? That's what you said?
Yeah.
Do you know how you're paying for college?
Dad.
Okay.
Helping.
Helping or is paying all of it?
Helping.
Okay, so you need to figure out how you're going to pay for the rest of it.
Yeah.
Where are you going to live?
Not here.
Okay, so that's more money, right? Rent. Do you know what you're going to major in?
No.
Okay, that's something to research. Do you know what schools you're interested in?
No.
Do you know the admission requirements for those schools?
No.
I just gave you like 8 questions right there.
Yes.
Okay?
I'd have to pick something I'm interested in first.
Okay, good. So maybe you say, what majors am I interested in?
Yeah.
That could be a question.
Great.
So write that question down. Okay? David, you know what you're doing? Steven. Okay.